Chiki. This is a restaurant. It's called Samsara's Garden. Actually, I went to Samsara in Antigua in Guatemala. Now I'm in San Marcos, Guatemala. Samsara's Garden. But look at the setting that they have. It's really pretty, right? It's like sitting in a hanging garden. Look at the tour. That's super pretty too. Yeah. And they also have, look at this, like in a forest. And then they have cabanas. It was a long time ago in San Diego. For my birthday, we rented one of those cabanas. And really, that was fun. That was sushi place though. Anyway, I thought I'll show you this. Okay. Today is my last day in the lake, on the lake. So tomorrow we go back to Guatemala. Talk to you later.